The double-din stereo with dashcam offers seamless integration with both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to access phone functions directly from the 7-inch high-definition display, enhancing the overall driving experience. Equipped with both a dash cam and an advanced high-definition backup camera, this stereo system minimizes blind spots and enhances safety with its ultra-wide viewing angles and exceptional night vision capability. The stereo's Bluetooth functionality provides a stable and clear connection for wireless streaming and phone calls, ensuring that you can stay connected without compromising safety. Users will appreciate the stereo's high-resolution touchscreen, which offers smooth and responsive operation, and the inclusion of both built-in and external microphones ensures clear sound quality. The device is designed to fit standard dashboard openings, but additional accessories may be needed for some vehicles, ensuring it is versatile for various car models. This stereo system makes an excellent gift choice for special occasions, offering a blend of advanced technology and practicality for any car enthusiast.